We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is a ranked match 350 episode part 1. What is this again? DRYTRON versus TRI-BRIDAGE. Here we go. I forgot who went first. Who went first? I think I went first. Okay. Emergency Alpha. Nova. Ooh, I got ashed on the Nova. I was gonna get what's that? Oh my god, I can't even see this. Can I move that? Oh, look at that. What happened? Oh yeah. Nova. Or Alpha tribute. Ultimateness. Get Ben 10. Diviner of Herald, normal summon. Send. Arclight. Arclight. Add. Natasha. And then linked off for Verte. Verte's effect, pay 2000. Copy red as fusion for Dragoon. Dumping the usual 2. I'm gonna set Imperm. And his turn. It's gonna Duster. Okay. 10 key. I should have just negated 10 key. Got a Fractal. Fractal effect. Send. I wish they update. What is that? They update the card list if it hits the grave. Usually it does that if it's on the field or you get it by hand or something. They do it in the grave. That would be cool too. It's gonna get Kit. Kit's effect. Banish 2. For Baron Blossom. Farrajeet. And then Farrajeet's effect. Warbler. Oh, and they went for the Shireg, the Ominous Omen. And then I thought I was gonna be able to Dragoon, but then these chain links started happening. 1, 2, 3. I got chain blocked and Omen's effect. Banish. Going for the battle. I'll take the 25. And he had no back row. I drew the orange light. Somehow I win this. Alpha Ben 10. Get Ida 10. Ben 10 get Diviner. Almost summon Diviner. Diviner's effect. Arclight. Arclight effect. Meteor DRYTRON. Meteor DRYTRON. Natasha. That's why I got Natasha and I took his monster. Natasha. Target itself. Gain half the attack. And then for IP with those 2. Banish Cyber Angel, target a monster, special summon Natasha, and take control of his monster. Then Natasha's effect, target, gain half the attack. And from here I could have went Boral Sword, but I would do more damage with these 3. And for the kill, or for the attack. Attack, attack, and attack. And that's it, his turn. 1 for 1, he sent the barrier statue of the Windstorm for Cobalt Sparrow. I lit him up with the orange. And he just scooped it. Let's do it. Part 2. Part 2, I was even counting my summons too, and okay, it drilled me after the cyber emergency. Seed or Alpha Tribute Zeta, summon orange, went for Verte effect, copy red as fusion, Dragoon, and that's it. 10 key. Just negated it. I didn't think he ended his turn. I think I went yeah, I went a little. I comboed off too much here. I got nibbed. I got ashed. Negated the ash. But I don't have any more negates. Tried going for Boral Sword. That was my 4th summon, I believe. And then somehow I went 5, 6, and then 7 and nibbed me. Medium DRYTRON lost his target, and yeah, he took over from here. He statued and attack. Drew the ghost spell, nothing. Attack. I was gonna wait for him to do the revolt, but with Windstorm, only winds can be special summoned. I don't think those Tri-Brigades are wind. Drew the other ghost spell, said it. Maybe he was gonna misplay or something, but oh, he got me. Got me game 2. Game 3, here we go. I win this one. Drew the Red Eyes Fusion. I activated it because I had Call by the Grave. I was gonna get ashed or something. Yeah, Dragoon, the usual. Set called by 10 key. Well, I negated his 10 key before, and he just ended his turn. So I figured I did that. Negate, destroy, gain, and then he's gonna Karis. Discarding. Is it discard? Yeah, discarding Nerval. And then I just quickly chain called by to negate and banish Nerval. Puts Karis in defense, and he just ends his turn. And from here, just pop and burn. Summon Diviner, and he just scooped it. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. And then check out the rank. I'm back to gold. I was 1485, 1505, and then I was at 176, 178. I went up by 2 duel points. What? Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.